Hey there guys, and welcome back to the channel as always. So guys, there's something interesting that you should actually know, and that's that the value of money is actually an illusion. An illusion? You mean like it's not real? Money's not real? I mean, yes, it is. It's real, but the value of it is just an illusion in our heads that we base it upon because of a number. So to better explain this, guys, in a better way, I want to ask you one question real quick. What's the difference between this $100 bill right here and this $1 bill right here? Tell me, what's the difference right now between the two? I mean, if you ask me, they feel the same. They have the same texture, I'm assuming, right? They're on the same length. The only difference is that one of them has, a 1 in George Washington printed on it, and the other one has, a couple hundreds around it with Benjamin Franklin on it. So that's really the only main difference, is just the numbers on these bills, okay? Now, if I were to put them on my shirt right now, they're both doing the same thing, right? If I throw them in the air, are they both not flying? So why is it that we distinguish these two as different because of a number? Well, that's because we value it mentally, It's just an illusion of how we value these dollar bills. One's just simply worth more again because of the value that we perceive it to be. You see, the interesting part about this is that back in the old days when, physical money didn't exist, paper money, you would actually trade goods for certain things, okay? So if I wanted, I don't know, a loaf of bread and you needed some shoes, we would exchange between the two of those things because that's what we value those things to equal to, correct? Loaf of bread for some shoes? Holy crap. Now, it may not be that exact, but you get the gist of it, right? And in reality, guys, the value of money, the reason why a $100 bill is worth $100 and a $1 bill is worth only $1 is because the government made it that way, okay? They say, you know what? We're gonna print out these different pieces of paper, label different numbers on them, and that's what they're gonna be valued at, okay? Now, of course, I don't know how the whole actual process goes, I'm not the government here, but that's essentially how they value our money. And the sad part is that the government can also print out more money whenever they actually want to. And this is the interesting part, because when they print out tons and tons of money like this, it actually devalues the money you have right now with a thing called inflation, which sucks because we all know how inflation works. It devalues your money over time. Thus, this $100 bill you see right here isn't worth the same tomorrow as it is today. Of course, at the end of the day, it is what it is. But I thought I'd just make this video to give it, just a whole different perspective on how money actually is, okay? As far as the value is. Because we all see those Instagram people, flashing their hundreds of dollars on their arms and stuff, when in reality, those don't really mean anything. It's just the way that we perceive it, okay? All because of a printed number. Now, isn't that interesting? Because at the end of the day, guys, this $100 bill, it's just a piece of paper. That's all it really is. If I were to rip this in the $1 bill, it would be ripped the same way. But anyways, I thought that would be just an interesting topic to bring to you guys today. I hope you did enjoy this video, guys. If you did, be sure to give this video a like. Also, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, guys. Did this give you a new perspective on how, the value of money is? Or is this just a total load of nonsense that I'm giving you? Let me know in the comment section below, guys. Be honest with me. Also, if you haven't, be sure to subscribe down there as well so that you stay notified on more videos just like this, alright guys? Anyways, I'll see you on the next video. Later.